All right, focusing on the forecast now here at home, we can see those storms on the radar. First Alert meteorologist Kristin Emery is joining us now, but it won't severely impact us here, Kristin.
Just in the way of wintry travel, because we have big drops in temperature already starting in portions of Ohio and in through Indiana. Now that cold air is filtering our way, but we won't have those severe storms that they had up and down the I-95 corridor. That's the warm sector of this system. That's what gave us all of the rain. But you can see on the radar here, the larger view, that we're already starting to see a changeover or a mix with some rain, snow showers. And meteorologist Ron Smiley, off today, but still always working, texted me and said he is reporting some graupel in his neck of the woods in the South Hills. So we're starting to see the air cool. We'll start to see snow mixing with rain showers throughout the afternoon and then eventually changing to all snow. So here's a look at the closer view. You can see a little bit of shower activity and then a few snow showers mixing in, at least in the upper levels. And right now we do have some advisories and warnings posted because of the potential for wintry weather and especially messy travel this evening and through the overnight. Winter weather advisory is in effect for the I-80 corridor. That includes Mercer, portions of Clarion County, and then the winter storm warning in effect for the Westmoreland and Fayette Ridges and Somerset and Garrett counties. That's where we could see some of those higher snow totals by tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night. Temperatures have fallen. We were in the 40s overnight. Now we're starting to see the colder air filter in. So we're down to 37 in Pittsburgh now. You can see that mixture of a rain snow shower. And then as we look across the area, cloudy skies, even some rain showers here and there. Butler, Newcastle, these will mix with and then change over to some snow showers over the next few hours by around 3-4 o'clock. All wet snow showers, but then snow showers becoming more intense with even some snow squalls possible in spots through this evening. So our timeline, by the time we get to the evening rush, the drive home, anybody heading out this evening, you could encounter some slushy or slick roadways, and especially through tomorrow morning, we could have leftover residual slick spots and some black ice. So here's a look at Futurecast taking you through the rest of the afternoon. You see those lake effect snow bands starting to set up and areas prone to the lake effect bands, especially over into the Laurel Highlands and even up along I-80. Those of you in Mercer County, you could see some higher totals if a couple of these bands really get going. But you can see by around 7-8 o'clock, that's when we're looking at the most intense snow squall activity. So by 5-6 o'clock, wet and slushy, but we could have windy conditions with low visibility through the rest of the late evening. And that means that as we head through the overnight, we could see some slippery travel tomorrow morning. By the time we get to tomorrow afternoon, it's all over. We have nothing but clear skies and warmer air the rest of the week. But projected snowfall totals, generally 1 to 2, possibly up to 3 up toward northern Butler County. But those of you along I-80 could see around 3 inches or more, especially if those bands set up. And then the highest elevations, we're talking down into Tucker County, West Virginia, eastern Somerset County, could see more than 6 inches of snow. It's all over tomorrow afternoon, but cold 32 and then 40s with sunshine as we head into the Christmas weekend.